But if you take more responsibility, you get more money. And some people used to say, years and years and years ago, and I kind of get it, you can be the biggest person teacher in the world, and you don't get any more money because you, and the other things, and it used to be.
The other things would distract you from being
well, no,
a
it used to be a little
teacher.
bit of a joke because she'd say, used to say things like, and this is another one, she said, so this was saying, pre the 1980s, so, you know, they didn't really, but you get extra money for sort of being in charge of the stock. Do you know what I mean? And so, and then it all changed, I can't remember when it changed, so then if you're in charge of maths, if you're in charge of it, then it changed, it was much, much better. You try and keep people on.
Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service.
Ways of
That's what it's really interesting. I was talking to her about it and about how it seems to me that people
We'll be calling at Reading and London Paddington.
the salary was negotiable. They were like, there was leeway
For the next station,
for the heads to go,
Reading.
oh, well, we can give you that sum of money, and there were kind of incentives, which I was
they're an
really,
academy too, aren't they?
yeah, so I was surprised. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, I'm saying, why is that happening there? There's no, and what I've seen is so much, just in my experiences, their inability to hold on to people and to be flexible with employment terms, and then they just lose everybody
Like if
because
you've
they're
got,
not
if you've got a position that you can't fill, right? So it's absolutely swinging they've been advertising, it's an advert, it's not adverts, it's attendance officers, so it is going out and speaking to families and getting kids. It's just really good. I think it's a great job.
I bet it's very low.
Well, I said,
Social work they would be
I
expected.
don't know.
It's not
I
recognised as
don't know
being
what the salary was, but I said, have we reviewed the salary? And they said, yes, we have. And she said, the reason people don't want it is because it's face to face. It's like, you know, it's going out into people's houses and it's specialised. And I thought, so are we asking you to do that? No, we're not. Why not? Let's make it something else. But anyway, that job's been advertised for nearly 18 years. She thinks it's more to do with the issue of the
But also maybe you wouldn't necessarily want to be community. You wouldn't necessarily want to be part of the community that you're having to visit, would you?
So I would say, let's make that process.
That would be my take on it, because there's people who want to
That means even
they
you.
want to do things to
Why? Something said that.
well, to keep going. She asked, she started in my area, and they were saying, and the managers were saying, well, okay, she wants to do that, and I was like, oh yeah, that's very
No, I don't think it's something like this. It's like we've moved away, it's like when the teachers go to the village. And it's two sides of it. You know, they
just coming
go
knocking on
down the pub for a drink and then they'd be within 10 minutes they'd be berated by a parent who wasn't happy. But on the other hand, they had quite a status in it.
Yeah, it's like what the mechanisms that
I know, I've never done anything. It's not my accident. I've never looked at catchment area by schools. I wouldn't advise them. I wouldn't advise them. Advise your own kids go to school either. That's all sorts of things I would advise. It's just,
No, it's interesting, isn't it? Because the other thing is I've got like 2 examples at the moment where done this, then she's going to be responsible. To do
Is it different in
which
the
will be
other?
quite a long course.
Is it different in the local authorities, or is it the same? Or is it also she was in back
I think, I don't know, to be honest, I don't know, but she's just, there's been a couple of times where it's not because of the budgets, or just something else, there's no point in it, other places you can go, but none of it is kind of funded. She needs to do the apprenticeship, she needs to be in the post she's in at the moment, because what they do with the apprenticeship is they sort everyone around. Once people already work for places to do the apprenticeship, they move all around their placements.
Yeah.
So she needs a job to do it. She's invaluable. She's not risking her
Unless she's
next 15 years.
education, she's got a real drive to get to where she is. You know what I mean? She's really,
She has. And she's right on. But
it's very unfair, isn't it?
it's really
It's really unfair. Because when I was one of my studies, I never paid a penny for it. My school paid for everything. When I went to work for West March, they continued to pay. I'm just thinking, that's not it.
I was very lucky. I wanted to degree in Australia. I think it was like the last couple of years when you got to get a grant. I'd never had one when I was 18. I got a grant for 2 years. Because I already had enough credits to get out the first year. So I was doing time. You know,
Jeff, this is on TV. Louise, this is on TV.
it's unusual. I'm usually saying to we were just talking about what people were doing in the past. I did mine at 29 when I realised everybody around me could.
That
If all
generation
these
now.
people that I naturally got with hadn't been held in life.
Oh. Yeah, exactly. I did it because my tutors, my kids started. And also the job that I had, so I said, I will do this job if you train me. And they school went, oh yeah,
You know, even with being
I just said, I've got no cred with anybody. I said,
my mum did the same. My mum didn't know she just used to study.
Jane hasn't got it. Oh, Jane. She's injured.
She's
Someone said that.
So she's supposed to go. I only know this from a WhatsApp group, a walking group, which I don't. Anyway, for the walking
I just like
Friday,
everything. She just like a screenshot of it.
So
need to text her and find out how she was.
yeah. What exactly happened? I know it's the
Well, I
plan,
wasn't
right?
actually there at the time. I was around in Bulgaria. She went back with me. Trip taken when I was behind us on the right side. And she said I'd already clocked it early on and told myself not to do that, and then I did. But I didn't see it happen. And she swore she was fine. But that's Jane. She went home, she wouldn't let me drive out there. And she knew me when she got to she didn't, so I rang. Bruce off the fence, so she's matched. And she's in the background. She says she's fine.
Okay. No, she's not fine. And she was going to do some lifts, I think, on Friday. But she's only got a 2-door car. I think that's for other people, so it's difficult to get in and out of it. So I don't think she went herself. I think she just went other people. So,
Let me give my notes with her. I might give her a ring tomorrow.
I'll just see, I'll tell you exactly what she said. And she probably doesn't know that I'm in that group.
But it won't do any harm if she just thinks I'm ringing anyway, will it?
No, absolutely.
I had gone through my mind and then I'd
That's
forgotten
why-
again, you know.
That's why I needed to tell you that I'd
Yeah.
seen that.
Chris, I'm 15 likes, they come in royal stuff.
Just
And then
thing is,
I fell over at the weekend in a very stiff spot, so I'm not up to walking. But they're going on a 5
well, she might be serving herself for the rehearsals. She's going. I think she's going singing tonight. They've got a choir rehearsal.
Guess what year I was in?
We are now approaching Reading.
No. I was 17.
Please take all your belongings with you.
The stuff about box office. Just reading them off the latest one from Sarah. I think that she's right about Panic though. I think we don't not at all.
And if
We're
you
still
remember
really
right from the
early.
start, the only thing I was worried about David, and I never said anything, was he was saying to people, this is a hard day to sell, it's not accessible. That's not your job to say that. You mustn't say
Change here for the Rail Air coach
that.
link to Heathrow Airport.
Next stop at Reading, change your Reading service place in Stoke, servicing the Welsh Shields and Gatwick Airport. Change for local station, once it's clear, you're leaving us here, please take a quick look around, make sure you have a better license with you.
Right?
And please take care when stepping off the train
I just
from
think
the Reading next station.
it's not necessarily what people have been used to. But what's that say? Sorry.
I used to be
That's his very last one at
Well, he's been on my
11:28.
case about, do you want, I mean, he's trying to be helpful, or, you know, do you still want me to find out if people have got contacts?
Well, I promised him I'd get her because she's without insurance money, but I can tell her sometimes I forgot. So I'll just lie to him. I will do it. But he said chase me about that now.
It's really difficult, isn't it?
And also the
It's
pressure.
tricky. I get he's in a position where he feels that he has responsibility.
He hasn't got the responsibility for the success of the play.
Feels
His responsibility is to make sure he's got a cohesive, communicative production team. So that's the performance, whatever. It's not on his shoulders that the play is successful. And what do you mean by success and failure? Do you know what I mean? We can get 3/4 of the audience and it can be a brilliant play.
Yeah. Well, the middle
Yeah. It's only Matinee 51, and that's like
That's
enough
not
seats.
unusual,
No.
This is
And the weather's
Reading.
cold.
it's not been selling tickets where we were last week. I felt awful saying we did all the stuff out last week.
I know, so
This is a Great Western
Sunday
Railway
was like,
service
wasn't
to
it? Saturday.
London Paddington.
Sunday was the opposite. Sunday was so
What
hot.
did you think, so? What did you think about the thing with the method?
Nicky Busey.
No, you have to,
Oh, I thought it was alright.
I don't know.
I was underwhelmed.
Well, that's what I mean.
It was alright.
It wasn't.
It's going to be
doing it. I
tick
thought
tocky.
she caught some.
It's going to be
I
like
did.
really tick.
Yeah,
No,
I was underwhelmed.
it was
I'm
bland.
not sure. I'm
The
not
backing
sure.
music is a bit, but I thought at least she's done it. But I think now she's done it, if you put it out, you could ask her to just say it's great, jazz it up a bit.
What I found, what I've done, I don't know what to do. So I said, great. So would you mind just sharing it with Ed and Rick and seeing if they're happy with it? I was just thinking it's got the set in it, because when Steve started streaming it, he said, oh, we don't want to change the set. I said, well, we did last year. You were happy for us to share it last year when we were building it. So Ed was happy. Anyway, I sort of backed it back a little bit. I didn't need it immediately. She filmed a really good bit. She filmed a really good bit of storytelling. So what is it about? It's
Just say your wrong.
It's actually quite a nice. What she felt with that. I was kind of expecting that might be in it, but I feel that it's a bit sensitive to things. And the sun is shining in it.
I think sometimes because of the nature of who we are and what we are, we're not restricted in that way. So I listened to the
Welcome aboard this Great Boston Railway service to London
and I
Paddington.
was so disappointed in that for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no. Any research.
We'll be
And I
calling
said, they're
at
shouting at
London
you, and that
Paddington.
wasn't right, that's not right. That, you need to help us a little bit more. You need to have the list of productions and a couple of programs in front of you. I know, it's too late now. But if he was into what he had, I wouldn't ask. Or I'd be really, really descriptive about the questions and what to have in the interviews and papers and all. And also, yes, so it's 40 minutes long, and 10 minutes is supposed to talk about his business. Which I know about. It's really interesting. And Preston said some friends, and said that.
There's not much about him.
No, and like when he said something, this is about not messing up with them. If you had had these things, or even if it's which one's real? In that part of the stories about that. So he said Preston couldn't remember the name of anything that he did, apart from deputy salesman of listeners. Which was good, and he remembered those. And he just said they were blowing as well, which is what happens. But I just think, just had a list and said,
Oh, I've gone out a bit, and it knows when we did it.
what you need Christmas,
No, it's not.
November 23. It's like new. But I think it's
I think it was on a list of things he had to get done.
okay. But you think, when you hear a really, really, really good interview, the interviewer has done so much research, they can actually help the person
Again,
with the
it's
answer.
not very professional.
No.
It's not. These things.
That's what I mean about
We're all
when she's
we're all
not
just trying to do our
professional.
stuff,
That's
aren't
what I
we?
mean, she's not professional.
We're all playing that.
So just when she does it, we're not
I thought because it's great. I'm really glad that she's done it, but I didn't. I assumed because she was. I can't.
We need to get Francesca down because that's her job.
Get the edit and the sound of the film at the same time.
Yeah, so that's what Francesca does. So she does it like second nature.
We need someone that can do that, but also gets what it is that we're doing. Because the two things don't match.
Exactly. I think that's what it is. So if you want something outside of it, you need to be really scripted. We've got somebody inside doing it. Somebody inside doing it. She didn't even know the play, so it didn't really help. Imagine if you paid someone to do that. This is an unemployed business. Imagine if you paid someone to do that. Would you be happy?
Wanted to go see. We've never discovered.
When I ask if she's involved, so perhaps we can try it out. If it's going out, so it's a wider audience. When something is really good, then we can use it.
What Rick has written for the program. All right, something come up. There's bits in there that I think should be quite
We changed it, but that's what me and Steve did. So me and Steve,
There's one bit that I really like because it's something I really like the fact that something that like lots of symbolism really fast.
she said something in and it wasn't very good. She said herself, she'd
Yeah, she told me she wanted to change
So
something in the
Louise
middle.
sent it to me and Steve. And I went round their house Sunday morning. And I said, we can't change anything until we've got Eric's, Sim's, and everyone's.
Yeah, Yeah, well, that makes
Because we
sense.
need to be looking for duplication.
Yeah.
To be fair, Steve and I had to look at help Zilla a little bit. Not a lot. Well, Zilla told the whole play. We don't know. We don't need to tell a story like that. Yeah, and Erica had the thanks to end. And so I wrote a thank you at the end. And she said something like, it seemed a little bit patriarchal. She changed it. I was, yeah, but she nicer to me. She's so
This is the bit I like, just that short sentence.
yeah, that was a
So I
very,
asked her if I
very
can.
late addition.
Okay.
Very late
Well,
addition.
because I've asked her if I can use it in the publicity, she said yeah. So because I think that's quite.
Yes.
But yeah, I quite like to maybe if I was going to write to like we just brought it out and actually things that do they play well drawings. This is non-specific. This is
She didn't use the word resonant, and I said we need to put the word resonant. So I think we said that.
yeah. I think you know this, you can draw your own conclusion out of that's actually studying humanity in different circumstances.
Which is that, yeah, which is that which
Heartwarming.
resonates.
It's got heartwarming, but you know, it's got somehow find the words to say that because I think basically that's what it is, and maybe we should shy away.
Yeah, and I think, yeah, she does say it quite nicely. But when her first thing was very,
I was just reading what was in the draft. Is that what the draft of the programme? Is
so
that
the
what-
draft is after having,
Right. Well, okay. So that's stuff I like. What was in there?
so what was in the draft, apart from one bit, this is a version 2 now. What is it, version 2?
I was a bit embarrassed about to say that one. Last details, but I'm not going to play it up. Did you see her emails this morning?
And then Steve said one about Elsa's work. But I think it's not definitely enough. Does that mean that?
No, so we're just what we're doing is having the same conversations we've been having.
And does that mean Pippa said yes? If Pippa said yes to
Yes,
Elsa
yeah,
being in it,
yeah.
that's what we should do. No messing about. And
do it in two ways.
Steve, I think, is complicating it by saying Elspeth needs to be in the course. Elspeth is only a little bit taller than her, but she's still very young. But if you had, if they were standing together, you'd
I
see
think
that.
it's difficult if you make her in the chorus and we're not in the chorus because everyone's having to learn two different versions.
It's a child when you come and see the audience. The audience don't know that Elspeth's second. She's doing it.
When is a little cute.
No, but the audience don't know that, do they? So if you want a child,
No,
you're going to have to just
yeah.
take what you've got.
And are they happy? And are they happy to be there all the time?
That's what that's the film we do. I don't really want my wife to be involved in something else anymore.
It's the new vibe I'm getting.
I think she would be depressed. I think she's not very ill, and I think he blamed quite rightly. I understand her, step up for what you do. Sometimes it's not the right thing.
It was quite interesting. She came because she came up. Yeah. So she was meant to be the script. So she was really she was just like really
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. From the comments that we did. And she said the sun was going to school. The sun had stopped at his work. Jamie's. And I'm thinking, this is ridiculous. We're having these conversations across this family. Kids are not here. Just. Because Jamie's got a new job as a TA in the office, and I think that's lovely, but also hilarious. And
I don't know any of her friends.
so take him to school, it's all excellent, so all that sort of pressure. This kid is going to get, I don't want to go to school.
How old?
Our son is about 10,
Which school?
I'm stuck in it now. And it's almost like a single day. Sometimes it's easy.
What it is, because you know where you are. You know it's you, you've got to get on with it.
But
You're
I
not
think
thinking that someone else
that's
is
partly
going to
of
help
it, that
you.
he's come around on weekends.
It's really tricky, isn't it? Do you, so,
I think I was just seated now.
she said she's got church.
She's eating, she's going to school.
She's also
Oh yeah, yeah. Sounds cars, doesn't it? Yeah, something to do with cars. Like the racing cars.
okay.
It's cars. Let's have a look, let's look him up.
I didn't know that. I just assumed he was something clever and boffiny. That's just probably because he lives in the
See, I always thought he was really laid back and really whatever, and it's not. I think when I asked her to do something, perhaps about something she was very hard. You think, well, she wanted to get me she wants to get to work. If you want it to work, you're going to have to
The trouble for me is
go on with
my
what he
head,
says.
because of my job, I just forever work. I'm constantly going, oh, you stop looking at this. Stop going, oh, that's a
Yeah, so, say 10 years, like, together, because they're having to work so very hard. They're working so very hard, seems to be involved in each other so much. You think, you need to work late nights, you need to be doing something together.
grandparents in the village to support.
And still
Yeah.
together, and still don't know anything about it.
I don't think, yeah, I definitely got a vibe still. The things that we're talking about in terms of the play, and having those conversations.
I love it. Editor, car mechanics. Oh no, wait. He was appointed editor of car mechanics in summer 1989. Went on to become the editor of Jack Ryan. Was made a publisher in 2009.
She's in publishing.
And he's made a publisher. He's made a publisher in 2004. Was appointed editor in 2009 and made managing director in 2014. And now he's publishing.
Okay, so he's publishing. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. Yeah, no, that's fair enough. But he's probably come into that from a studying English kind of. Yeah, yeah. He's got come into that rather than coming through the mechanic angle, he's coming through the educator. Is he? Okay.
Yeah, so it's car magazines, tours, shows. No, he does lots of shows. Car shows.
Straight away.
Yeah, events.
He's got quite a big job then, really.
Yeah.
Nice house.
That's really good. No, no, that's good.
I think they've got friends in the village. And they've got a social life.
Quite good. She said that she didn't know very well with parents of that child. Things to come. The email he sent in the end afterwards was also you've sold 2 more tickets. It looks really like I've missed out on this.
Marianne Sosa, Max has finished his GCSEs and we wanted to do a drone of his induction, and I think I don't want to do that. If we did a drone from one city, you know, like, and we can go down to Georgia and do that in the week. Just take a picture of an aerial. Same people don't know that it's there.
Yeah. So it showed both sides of it. Because at the moment the set is not a clean side. Whereas if you have the...
No, I would see something like almost walking up where he could do walking up the lane and kind of doesn't have to do much part of the lane and kind of and going in. You see first thing you see that where people go out.
Yeah. The trouble is it's going to be from the building out still. I think they're putting in a pattern. It's getting quite
We
cramped.
are now approaching London
Put up a
Paddington,
rail for
where this
costumes
train
already.
terminates.
So they've got 3 trolleys up the rail for clothing. So I've got to move some of the chairs
Please
out.
take all your belongings with you.
Aside. Just no rest for everything in it. They keep promising. I mean, each week it's been significantly more clear.
Please
They
mind
really
the gap
are.
between the train and the platform, and take care when stepping
Things that are outside of the train.
Yeah, exactly.
Change here for London Underground, Bakerloo, Circle, District and Hammersmith and City Line. The Heathrow Express runs non-stop to Heathrow Airport and departs from platform 6 and
See the
7.
hotness back on it.
You'll find taxis available around adjacent to platform 12.
Big if
On behalf of the on-train crew, thank you for travelling with Great Western Railway. We wish you a safe and pleasant forward journey.
There's this site called Secret London. Oh,
Yeah, it's amazing.
that's a lovely
Is
one.
a substitute.
Go through town.
From Venice and then up to Lodge. You can walk around.
Okay.
The British Transport Police on 6-1.
Yeah, that's what I'd like to do.
It's very nice.
Sorted. Safe. Sorted.
I've never really been. Do you know, in all these years, I've never been to Hampton Market. Been to Primrose Hill, sort of George Museum, I've never sort of done it as going to actually visit it.
And places like Highgate Cemetery out there.
So much still to discover. I'll be going all back,
Yeah, come and stay in London for 2 weeks.
Yeah. I'll just keep going to St. Nick's where the theatres are. Here we are again, the Waterloo area.
Yeah.
Covent Garden area. It's only an hour and a half long. It's only an hour and a half long, so Yeah, when I went to
It's interesting.
it's really late.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're not good
I
enough.
can't get wind at all of how the previews have been going. Sometimes there's stuff on there that isn't like I did find not suddenly
There's been lots of stuff about rehearsals.
Yeah, you just didn't know what to say.
Great choruses.
What's interesting is I was reading on the chat stuff is saying that I think that Lakeside didn't have to do this. It was meant to have been on an album.
No, you obviously like
This is what that is.
I don't think they ever chat shit about it. They chat shit about people like that.
Just whether they're just being vitriolic.
I don't know. I was talking to someone doing that.
Yeah, no, that's the thing.
Yeah. I watched the documentary last night with James Bond. Have you seen it?
I haven't seen it, but he's so funny.
He is
so
really funny, and it's
he's
trying
so
to work out which bits.
self-deprecating.
So which bits he's been really, yeah.
Just to really
But,
take
but
something
actually,
out.
but there was, but seriously, within that whole thing, like, just completely take you out. You know, you get so you get to that point, and like when you really enjoy
Service on the
the
approach
success,
to
they're just
Craig David, with
not
people
Please
in
take a quick look around, make sure you're all personalised.
But it was all from they had all these clips, all these programs, you know, everything.
Change here for services on the Elizabeth
And
line.
it across the
The
music,
entrance can be
and
found on
really nasty.
platform 1. If you require a taxi,
And then he's had to
Going back 50 years, it's Des O'Connor.
Right.
He used to
change
do
here
that.
for
It's
Bakerloo,
So I presume that's the same thing for this.
Circle and District line.
People don't like people being successful.
Underpass is your
They
final
didn't like him
station.
because he's
Change place or change.
it's a bit like.
Yeah, it's in the army, wasn't it?
And that was it's actually you should watch it. It's all about it. It's a video it's a really multi layered. It's got lots of different aspects of it. It's closed.
Where are we going now? We're going to go that. We're going to get that.
Go Waterloo
Can't
on the
go cheese
Bakerloo.
barge.
Bakerloo to yeah, we can't. We do need to make a coffee and get them. We're going. Series.
This is London Paddington. This train terminates here. Please take all your belongings with you.